In this video, we're going to write percents as fractions. The question is, write 174% as a fraction in simplest form. 174 is the part, so that's the numerator. Percent is the denominator out of 100. So we have the part to the whole. And to explain this a little bit better, I'm going to bring up what I drew here. And it says, and we've got 174% is the part. The percent means per 100, which is the whole. And then as a fraction, so we have 174 is the numerator out of 100, which is the whole, which is the denominator. Now, to write this in simplest form, our next step, we take 174 over 100, and we know that 174 and 100 are both even numbers, so they both have a common factor of 2. So we can divide them both by 2, and when we divide them both by 2, we get 87/50. So 87 over 50. Now, we don't want to leave this fraction, if at all possible, as an improper fraction. So we're going to turn it back into a mixed number. 50 goes into 187, one whole with a remainder of 37. So it is 1 37/50. Therefore, 174% equals 1 37/50 as a fraction. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to represent 174% as in a model. So we need two 10 by 10 grids because 174 is greater than 100. And what that means is we're going to shade more than 100 squares. We're going to shade 174 squares. So you start to shade 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170 squares, and now we're going to shade in those last 4 squares, 71, 72, 73, 74. So now we've represented 174% in a model by shading in 174 squares. Thanks for taking time to watch this video on writing percents as fractions, as well as modeling the percent